Hey class, Mrs. Lowe here. I thought for this series of Unit 5 videos I would do some problems out of the packet that we hadn't done. And you can use these to review because you should complete all the problems out of the packet to help you prepare for the assessments. So right now I'm going to do problem 8 from page 2, lesson 1, which was actually a review of what we covered on Unit 4. So the goal here is to write the equation of the line in y equals mx plus b, or the rule, and the line passes through points 7, -2, and b, -5, 2. So the two things we need are the slope, which is m, and the y-intercept, which is b, neither of which are given, so we're going to calculate both of those. So the slope is the change in y over the change in x, so we're going to do -2 minus 2, the change in y, -2 minus 2, over the change in x, 7 minus -5, 7 minus -5. Be careful, change means subtract. So we have -4, 7 minus -5 is 7 plus 5, which is 12. So we have -1/3. So we have our m, which is -1/3. Our slope is -1/3. So we're going to write that in, y equals -1/3 x plus b. Now we're going to find the b. Now I could actually graph the line and see if I can find the b, but we want to do it without graphing. So I'm going to pick one of the 2 points, and I'm going to calculate b. One of the 2 points, and I'm going to calculate b. So I am going to pick the first point, point D. I'm going to substitute -2 in for y, and 7 in for x, and I'm going to find b. So first thing I do is multiply. I get -7/3 plus b. Now I need to get that -7/3 to the left, and I'll do that by adding it. So I have -2 plus 7/3 equals b. Now, in order to add these two fractions, I need to change -2 to a denominator of 3. So I'm going to do that off to the side, -2 to a denominator of 3. So you would have to multiply the denominator of 1 by 3 to get 3. So I have to multiply the numerator by 3. So I get -6/3. This is equivalent to -2. So I have -6/3 plus 7/3. So the b is +1/3. So now you've got to write the equation of the line with both the m and the b in place. So the equation of the line in y equals mx plus b is y equals -1/3 x plus 1/3. There you go. Let's go ahead and go down and do number 10. Because 10 and 9 are ones that you should recognize immediately. They ask for the equation of the line, and we're going to try to do it in y equals mx plus b. If you don't notice immediately what I notice, then you would go through the process of trying to find the m and the b. So the m is the change in the y over the change in the x. 6 minus 6. Change in the x, 4 minus -7. So this gives us 0/11. Well, 0 divided by 11 is simply 0. So that means our slope is 0. Well, what kind of lines have a slope of 0? Horizontal lines have a slope of 0. And all horizontal lines are in the form y equals a constant. And that constant is 6 in this case, because every point on that line, y is 6. Notice you have 2 points, y is 6. Every point on that line, y is 6. So you don't have to find the b because the b is 6 and the horizontal line is y equals 6. You should have been able to find that equation immediately as soon as you saw the 2 points. Both the y values are the same, hence y is 6. Adding on to that, let's do number 9 real quick because it's similar. So number 9, again, we're going to find the equation of the line. We have the point 3, 1, and we're given the x-intercept of 3. Well, that implies the point is 3, 0. Well, you should see immediately that both of those x coordinates are the same. X is 3. The equation of the line is x is 3. Okay? Hope those help. Thanks.